This a party bop, like hit the party rock. We at the party now, don't let the party stop. So turn the speakers up, I need a 808, I need the...
Did you know Lizzo's here? It's fucking Lizzo.
Yo, what up, me familiar? We're back again with another banger video. This week was crazy. We hit the Lake Ozark Bagnell Strip with a couple of my friends. They had a boat show. They had a crackhead doing jumps outside. It was crazy. Make sure to watch the whole video. We got more bangers on the way. We just had a private limo escort. I just went and saw Oliver Anthony in concert, and we're about to make our way to LA, baby. Let's go. We're at 2.5K right now, fam. 2.5K, let's get that road to 10K going, baby. I'm dropping an EP here in 2 weeks. I'm dropping it September 5th. Tap in, link below. We're gonna run it up with 10 more songs. It's just me behind this team, but we're running it up. I'm dropping a new video every Sunday. Tap in, like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on those post noties. Let's go, baby.
Jesus Christ.
How many bitches do you fuck? You can't do that. You can't do that.
So let it drop, that's how it go down. Don't let it stop, we at the show now. She like that pop, that's how this paper work. I like that.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
We are live from Sky Fox 1. Crackhead on the loose. Last seen smoking crystal meth out of a Pepsi can.
Bruh.
Bro, look at all these motherfuckers. This guy is fucking professional. Oh yeah. This guy needs to have a fucking TikTok.
What's the matter with you?
Tomorrow. Let's do it tomorrow.
There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow.
Oh, somebody! Oh, he needs some milk.
Ooh, that brother's floating in the air. How could his hands do this? Oh, someone get him out the air.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, I don't know when they're getting here, but
This is a bracelet, it's gonna break.
that's okay. I have a pony right here.
She gave me a one.
She did a better good. Yeah, that's okay. If it breaks.
Did you know Lizzo's here? It's fucking Lizzo. I'm gonna ask her to play the trumpet.
This a party bop, like hit the party rock. We at the party now, don't let the party stop. So turn the speakers up, I need a 808.